Guys, this video is extremely weird. My best friend named Thomas coughing crazily. See you on the clip.
Got it.
Crazy man, say hi, Brayden.
Oh my God.